If you want to make a complex shape like parabola, you can do this by a tool that is called Parabola Tools. But if you want to do this manually in SolidWorks, it will be very hard for you to draw. You can get this tool from this drop down menu just beside that ellipse toolbar. From here you can get this parabola tool. When I activate this thing, I have to mention few things. First, I have to mention the focus point, then the vertex, then the starting point, then finally I have to mention the end point. Your parabola will be completed. By this way you can make the parabola. Again I am doing this thing. First focus, vertex, start point, end point. By this way you can make the parabola. But if you want to control the parabola, sometimes you find it's hard to control this thing. So first I make one parabola here. Now if I want to control this thing, better to put few geometry relation and dimension. When I put this dimension, it's almost black except this 2 point. That means I can move this 2 point. I can drag this 2 point. But here is another point. When I try to increase this distance, like it's 200, when I try to move forward and forward, you can see it says it's item conflicts, but it's not. When I press OK, you see everything is okay. Sometimes you can see this thing, but you may think it's overlapping with something other, but it's not. Everything is fine. I can make relation between these two and put one more dimension to make this parabola fully defined. By this way you can make the parabola. It's very easy with this tool to make this parabola.